Hey, it's Phil Klinkenborg, Regional Sales Manager out in the West, and for over 39 years, FSR has been making a durable yet elegant floor box solution, and I've got the latest one out in the shop. Come on, let's go see it. Okay, so here it is, our new FL-400 floor box. When you first look at it, it looks a whole lot like any of our other FL floor boxes, but we've done a couple of things new. Take a look at this. This is a fully hinged lid. It's a first for us. We usually use the cable tethers on there, but this is a fully hinged lid. We've also created this box to not only be a concrete pour-in-place box, but also works for raised access or wood floors. So here we have this patent-pending clamp system that you install the box and then deploy this clamp into place and it holds the box, which is very cool. You look inside here, our gang mounting bracket looks very similar to the other boxes. This is a 5-gang undivided bracket. It also allows for 4 fully divided gangs in here, and we include those large and small filler plates to customize it and finish it out. If you notice, this has only got gangs on one side. The other side of this box is wide open, so if you're using it in a stage application, let's say, that'd be perfect to put your direct box in or a throwdown box and be able to close the lid and keep everything secured. On the back of the box, you'll notice we've got a variety of different knockouts, anything from a 1/2 inch all the way up to 2 inches for your conduit, making it a very versatile box. This box is reconfigurable after the pour, just like our other FL boxes. All steel construction, made in the USA, everything that you expect from FSR. For more information, you can visit our website at www.fsrinc.com.